Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before I get into today's video, give this video a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're new. Today I have a quick DIY to bring to you guys. If you guys get into your E46 and realize that the handles are super hard to open, I will show you a quick and easy fix to adjust the handles. It makes it a lot easier for the swing motion on the coupe for the doors to open up. You'll find that over time they just get harder to open, and there's a little screw, it's an Allen key that you can adjust. So I will show that to you guys now. Okay, so the process to fix the door handle that's tough to open, go to whatever door handle it is. It could be both. We're gonna work on both of mine are like this. So we're gonna work on the passenger side first. And what you're going to do, you're gonna see a little rubber grommet. You're gonna pop that off, and then you're gonna take, it's either a 4 or 5, I can't remember. Unfortunately, this Allen key is not labeled. It's either a 4 or 5 millimeter Allen key, and you'll see there is an Allen slot in there. So for the passenger door, we're actually gonna spin it opposite, so we'd be loosening it, which we are going counterclockwise, but it's actually tightening it. So once you have that tight, just make sure that's nice and tight. So that is nice and tight, and now we're gonna put the cap on and we'll shut the door, and I'll show you guys how much easier. Well, you guys won't be able to tell, but I will tell you guys it will be so much easier to open the door. So now, look at this. Super easy to open the door. Before it was much harder, and all you do, one finger, look, opens the door. So now we're gonna go on to the other side. So now if we repeat the process on the other side, I think this side is already tight, but since that side was counterclockwise, this side would be clockwise for the driver's side. In mine, this side I've already done, so this side's already tight. We'll just double check it. Yep, nice and tight. So there we go, and that's it. It really makes the doors so much easier to open, as you saw in the last clip. So that's really it to fix the doors so they open up easier. Over time that screw becomes loose, and it just allows more play inside the door. So once you tighten it up, it makes for the actuation to be much nicer, and you'll see as soon as you do it, you will see how much easier the doors are to open on a coupe. All right, everyone, so that was a quick and easy DIY to fix your handles on your BMW E46. Sometimes the door handles get tough to open over time, especially on the coupe, how they swing up. So doing this quick little, just tightening up that Allen key really helps with the door actuation of pulling the handle. So super quick, easy DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comments below. Be sure to use my Amazon affiliate link. Guys, you guys have been killing it with the Amazon affiliate link, and it helps me out a ton to give back to the channel. So please use it when possible. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up and consider subscribing for more BMW and E46 related content. Guys, we're so close to 20K, as I mentioned in a couple of videos ago. I appreciate all you guys' continued support, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.